Mad Dog. What's up, everyone? This is Joe Sorrentino on New England RC. Special video for you today. We're going to take my Mad van and we're going to turn it into a Mad Dog. Let's go. So here it is, guys. This is the body for the Brutus that came out from a company called ECX a couple of years back. I always thought it was a cool looking monster truck and never got around to buying the Brutus per se. It was a two-wheel drive monster truck, not the most powerful thing in the world, but it looked cool. So I figured, hey, why not make my Mad van, which is a four-wheel drive, really powerful car, into a Mad Dog? So I bought the body shell and I already matched up the holes for where the pins come, and it looks like it's going to line up perfectly. The only thing I have to do is the shock tower. You can see it supports a height for the van. Just gonna take off this piece. It's mounted on by some clips. So just gotta detach it on both sides, take off that top piece, lower it down a bit, and then it should fit right on top. So let's give it a try. Check it out. It's a near perfect fit, guys. Look at that. I think it's up a little high still, even with this lowered here, but I should be able to fit the body clips on there, no problem. The concern is what you see here. It looks like everything's kind of exposed down below, so it's probably going to not be the most ideal setup in the world. Don't want everything open like that, but I think for today's purposes might be kind of fun. Another thing I'd like to point out is the Mad Dog, or the Mad van, uses these Dean's plug connectors. And I actually have these pretty sweet batteries that are 120C 7200 milliamp, but the connectors, however, are not the right adapter, but there's a way to fix it. I have this adapter here, labeled for the Mad van, which converts it from the IC5 connector to a Dean's, so it plugs right in. So that's what I like to use. I think they're very fast, very powerful batteries. I recommend them for this particular vehicle. So let's give it a try. The Mad Dog. All right, guys, let's give the Mad Dog a rip. Oh, that is fast. Oh, it's okay. Still together. Oh, nice little wheelie over the jump. Look at that thing kicking up dirt. Woohoo! Oh no. Oh, good. Awesome. Oh no. Oh no. Yes. And we're back. Ho ho ho. Ho ho. We're gonna see what kind of tricks we can get off the jump with our Mad Dog. Oh, beautiful flip. All right. Oh, baby. Before we kill it, let's do a little bit of this. Still going strong. Oh, baby. cool. Look at that thing, man. It's like a rocket. A little Mad Dog rocket. Whoa. So much firepower. That's the jumps. Oh, not quite enough juice on that one. Oh my God, it worked. That was awesome. Yeah, boy. Whoa. Whoa. The name is a double. Oh, not so much that time. Oh, wow. It's like aerodynamic. My dog. So there you have it, folks. The world's first Mad Dog. It worked, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if so, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and smash the notification bell to stay updated on when my next video becomes available. Till then, this is Joe Sorrentino saying thanks for watching. See you on the next one.